For asthma with medicinal herbs treatment methods.
Ginger tea. Materials: 1 slice of fresh ginger or 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. 1 glass of water. Preparation: boil water and add the ginger to the water. After boiling for 10 to 15 minutes, strain the tea. Drink several times a day. Ginger tea reduces inflammation and facilitates breathing.
Natural recipe applied by inhalation. Steam inhalation, eucalyptus. Materials: 3 to 5 drops of eucalyptus oil. 1 liter of boiling water. Preparation and use: pour boiling water into a large bowl. Drizzle eucalyptus oil on it. Tilt your head over the steam and cover your head with a large towel. Take a deep breath and inhale the steam.